everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I am going to be doing this pretty blue sunset kind of look. I really like this. It came out so good and I'm just happy at what I did. Proud of myself. Ew, why did I look like the fish from SpongeBob? Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this yellow orange kind of color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in my crease. And then I'm just gonna keep going back and forth, just like windshield wiper motions. Okay, so the next color I'm going to be using, I'm going to be mixing two colors. So it'll be just these two right here. This like red and then burnt red kind of. I don't know my colors, so don't judge. And then I'm just going to put that underneath the yellow, orange kind of. And then I'm just gonna lightly blend that in there. And then I'm gonna go back over it with the brush I used for the yellow color, and I'm just gonna blend it all together. Okay, so the next color I am going to be using is this blue right over here. It's a little shimmery kind of color. Ooh. Okay. And I'm just going to place that all over my lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Same thing I do as always. I'm going to use my foundation and my JH42 brush. Alright, now it's time for curling lashes and mascara. And the mascara I use, okay, so the next thing I am going to do is my lashes, and the lashes I am going to be wearing today are the Wispies by Ardell. So, see you in a second. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and go with my foundation. I mean, not go with, but put it on. Duh. Oh, and I got my nails done too. About time, just because I wanted to fix this one and I needed to fill anyway, so you know, just gotta treat yourself sometimes. I think I put it too much, but it's alright. And my elbow hurts like so bad right now, because me and my boyfriend were messing around, and well, he was like punching, like going like that, but he was like doing it super hard, and I'm over here, we're just messing around, but I'm over here trying to protect myself, and somehow, some way, my elbow gets in the way, and he like punches the crap out of it. And like he punches like right here, and it hurt. Oh my god, I wanted to cry so bad. It just stung, and then like it sent like a signal like all the way up here and then a little bit back here, and I don't even know, and it hurts so bad. Well, now when I try to like put pressure on it, like to grab things or like to do anything or like to put it straight, it hurts. So like right now I'm kind of trying to like beat my face, but I can't because it hurts, so I'm trying my best to keep going. Alright, so next step, I am gonna go ahead and go with my CoverGirl Clean Professional Translucent Powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bake. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it right under my eyes. Okay, so honestly, like I've been thinking, since I don't use concealer, I want to use it one time so I can see what it looks like. Just because I've never used it, the only time I use concealer is when I conceal my eyebrows and when I put it on my eyelids. That's pretty much it. Other than that, I don't use it at all for anything else on my face. I don't put it on my nose, my forehead, you know, the general areas you would put concealer at. Nope. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the excess off, just because I don't like to let it sit for long. I let it sit for like a couple seconds. I didn't put any in my nose, I just noticed that, but oh well. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with my M321 and go in with these two colors. Maybe I should show you this way. These two colors right here, and then just put that under my whatever this thing is called right here. My lash line. There we go. Alright, and then with my JH40, I'm going to go in with the yellow color. Just going to put that on top of the two colors that I mixed, the red and the burnt red. Alright, so the last step I am going to do for my eyes, I am just going to go in with this little shimmery color right here. I'm going to put that like right on the inner corner. And this brush that I'm using, I got it in, it's e.l.f. small precision brush. My mom bought that for me. I think it was for Christmas, I believe. Alright, so next step, I'm just going to go ahead and start contouring my face with my JH04 brush. And I'm going to be using the ABH palette from Morphe and going to be mixing these two colors together. And then making this little duck face and then go ahead and blend. Okay, and then with my JH02 brush, gonna go ahead and blend that on top with no bronzer or anything on it yet, and then I'm gonna do that next and put that all over my forehead. And when I do this, I kind of make sure everything goes out evenly and make sure like I'm blending out both sides, not just paying attention to one. Because you know, can't have uneven tan. I mean, you can. Alright, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is clean this up with my powder. And when I do this, I kind of follow like this little part of my ear and then just go straight down in like a diagonal, not straight, if that makes sense. So like go in a diagonal, not straight. So I'm going to go ahead and let that sit for a second while I put my blush on. So the blush I'll be using today is my Ooh, She's Blushin' by Bretman Rock, Colourpop. And honestly, I freaking love this blush. It gives my skin life. And that's what it's all about. I messed that up. I don't care. Anyway, the brush I'll be using is one of these brushes. I don't know where I got this one from. I really don't remember where I got this one from, but I use it and it gets the job done. And then when I put this on, I kind of like, almost like your, what is that word? Elegant? Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and take some of this off. Not some, I mean all. The highlight I'm going to be using today is by Dose of Colors, and it is called Gold is the New Black. And then I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones. Not my cheekbones. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my NYX Suede lip liner, and it is in the shade London. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm also going to be putting a lipstick on top. I don't normally wear lipsticks, but we'll try today. Okay, and then for my lipstick, I am going to be wearing Anastasia, and the shade is Starfish. little, it's like a little like light tan, brown, neutral, very neutral kind of color. It's cute, I promise. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? Honestly, it came out so much better than I expected, and I'm just learning. I'm barely beginning at all of this stuff, so hopefully I'm doing good. Let me know. Let me know. I need to know. Anywho, just stay tuned and I'll be uploading more often. Hopefully, just because I have a little busy schedule. I'm always at work, 9 to 5 job, which is Mondays through Saturday. Sundays I'm always off. I mean, I get another off day during the week when I work, but still I'm always busy because I don't go to school as well, because I am a college student as well. Yeah, so with all this just juggling, trying to juggle it all around, I'm just doing my best and trying to upload as much as I can. Alright, so thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.